Hi, very good afternoon. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in Prestige, Northwest County. So Prestige, Northwest County, directly located on Dodbalapur main road in Rajankunte. So you have Angsana Oasis Spa and Resort and Prestige Northwest County. So once you purchase plot in Prestige Northwest County, you will be member of Angsana Oasis Spa and Resort. So lifetime membership, unlimited usage in Prestige Northwest County. One of the biggest advantage of owning plot in Prestige Northwest County. So talking about the locality, we are exactly standing on Dodbalapur main road. This side you have Yelahanka and this side it leads to Dodbalapur. So talking about the distance, from here just 6 kilometers you have BMS IT, 7 kilometers you have CRPF, then 11 kilometers you have RMZ Galleria, then Yelahanka police station, traffic police station, and this side just 3.8 kilometers you have toll gate, and 4.5 kilometers you have IVC road, that is upcoming intermediate ring road connecting from Devanhalli to Nelmangla. So another advantage. And after that just around 7 kilometers you have KIDB Tech Park. So this is Silver Oak Resort. So right next to Prestige Northwest County. So here you have Prestige Northwest County, then you have Silver Oak. So let's go back. So surroundings you have very good colleges, shopping malls and everything. So here there is a plot for sale in a premium layout, that is by Prestige Northwest County, Prestige Group. So you can see the entrance, it's a very beautiful entrance. So let's go inside and have a look. So this lane you have plot, and this is main entrance, just walkable from main entrance, that is on Dodbalapur main road. And this side you have Angsana Resort and Spa. So this is the spa place, and on the just if you take left and right you have Angsana Resort. So while going we'll have a look. So let's go to the plot and have a look. So this is the plot. It is 94 till there, and depth is 106, east facing wide road. It is 9,964 square feet. All are premium villa plots, suitable for bungalow. Very beautiful society. And another advantage of this plot is you have dead end, and next there is Akruti project. In that you have their park and swimming pool next to it. So you will get open space this side, and with very good view and park. So that will be an added advantage for you. And another thing is dead end lane. So it is east facing, 94 by 106, 9,964 square feet. So you have water, drainage, rainwater harvesting, each and everything connections is there. And another advantage of this society is like there is no restrictions on construction, like design or similarities. You can construct as you wish. And you can see there is Angsana Resort. Biggest advantage of Prestige Northwest County is Angsana Resort. As soon as you purchase the plot, you will get permanent membership for Angsana Resort and Spa. So all the required amenities you have inside the resort, like swimming pool and volleyball court, each and everything you have. You can see it's well crowded, and one of the well-known resort in Bangalore, Angsana Resort and Spa. So you'll have direct access as you will be member of it, lifetime member. So just here you have Angsana Resort entrance, and this side you have Spa. And here till this, you can see this compound, same it continues here. So it comes till here. So from here it is 10694, 9,964 square feet. So while going, we'll go through different route. That is, from here if we take left turn and go, you'll reach to Prestige Oasis, and on the right you have Angsana Resort. So we have come from main entrance, that is on the Dodbalapur main road, Prestige Northwest County main entrance, Angsana Resort and Spa entrance. So while going, we'll go through this route. So for more details, you can go through the description right below the video. And to get details on your WhatsApp, you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you. So this is Angsana Oasis Spa and Resort. This is entrance, and this side you have Spa, and this is the road which leads. If you take just right turn, you will reach to plot. So here you can see plot. This is the plot. So we have just exited from back gate of Northwest County, Prestige Northwest County. Opposite you can see Prestige Oasis. So here you can see Prestige Oasis is there. And this road, it leads back to Rajan Kunte, that is Dodbalapur main road. Just 1.2 kilometers you have Dodbalapur main road. So you can exit from this road also, or else directly from there, that is very close by. So from here, so just to show, I have come here. And Rajan Kunte train station, that is railway station, is also 1.2 kilometers from here. So there is entry of Northwest Prestige Northwest County, and this is Prestige OSS. So for more details, you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp, you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.